Good everybody. This is Mike Levitis of juristu.com, and I'm here with two attorneys, Mathew Sullivan and Gregory Spector of the law firm of Gregory Spector and Associates. Mathew, you deal with construction accidents cases. Tell me, how long does a client have to start an action, to sue? In other words, what is the statute of limitations on the construction accidents case?
Well, at Gregory Spector and Associates, we are so proud to represent clients in the tri-state area, really meaning New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. And as you know, construction site injuries are often some of the most horrific, some of the most catastrophic that we deal with because construction work is so dangerous. Dealing with elevation-related risks like being on a scaffold, dealing with machinery, the injuries are sometimes life-changing. So while we understand what the statutes are, and I'll certainly explain them to you and the listeners, the very first thing you should do when you've been in a construction accident is not think about what's the longest amount of time I have to file a claim, but how quickly can I get things started? How quickly can I get a lawyer on your side? Because these construction companies, as you well know, already have a team of insurance professionals, safety professionals, and lawyers ready to get into action. So it is so important, if you have been involved in a worksite accident, in a construction site accident, to get lawyers on your side, get Gregory Spector and Associates working for you. Most of our cases are in New York and the metropolitan area, the 5 boroughs and beyond. In New York, for a typical construction site accident against your typical construction entities and general contractors, you have 3 years from the date of the incident until you can bring a lawsuit. Now, we're located in Queens, and so we often deal with projects that are owned or managed by New York City. If you're involved in a construction accident that occurs on city-owned property, well, that statute shrinks dramatically from 3 years to just 1 year and 90 days. And even within that 1 year and 90-day time frame, there are other obligations, other claims you have to file, or otherwise the city will throw you out of court right away. So if you've been involved in a construction site accident, especially if it's city-owned property, you have to get your paperwork started right away and get Gregory Spector and Associates on your side immediately.
Mathew, thank you very much. You know, it seems like from what you're saying, it's best to call sooner rather than later, because the information is still fresh in people's heads, the evidence is still there, so it's best to call as soon as possible to an attorney that handles construction accidents. One of such premier law firms is the law firm of Gregory Spector and Associates, and we're going to put up your phone number on the bottom of the screen. Gentlemen, thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you.